One serious illness that affects dogs, particularly puppies, is canine parvovirus or Parvo. This viral disease is highly contagious and spread through direct contact with an infected dog or contaminated surfaces. The virus can survive in the environment for months, making it easy to spread. Dogs with Parvo often exhibit symptoms like severe vomiting, bloody diarrhea, dehydration, and lethargy. The dehydration from these symptoms can lead to rapid deterioration, making it crucial to recognize these signs early. The best protection against Parvo is vaccination, especially for puppies and younger dogs, as they are more susceptible. Limiting a dog's exposure to potentially infected areas and following a strict vaccination schedule are key preventive measures.